It all begins with a sheet of paper, blank, silent, waiting to become something that matters. At Rueigi Machinery, we see more than paper. Precision is our promise. Speed is our edge. A great machine goes beyond creation. It blends beauty with sustainability and craftsmanship with perfect rhythm. A paper bag is never just packaging. It's the brand's image, the customer's first impression, the warmth they hold in their hands, and the trust they feel. Every day, we help brands worldwide for a faster, steadier, greener future. From paper to bag, we don't just make products. We bring ideas to life and lead the way toward a sustainable tomorrow.